Hello, Daddy Daniel here, and in this video, I'm going to give you an update on the WordPress WordPress blog scraper I've been working on. If you remember the original one that I showed y'all, did this. Let's go ahead and run it real quick. Let's just run that real quick to refresh your memory what this one actually did. And while I'm letting that go, I'll go ahead and load up a new one. Let's go ahead and move the new one over to the side here, to the side of the screen. And let's just take a look here. This one's at 3, so we're going to let this one run for a couple minutes. Not very long, just enough to see where my window go. There it is. Alright, let's see if what it's done. Nope, it hasn't scraped anything yet. Okay, let's check it out now. Alright, so let's go ahead and pause. Well, actually, let's just go ahead and stop that one. That's the old blog, or the original WordPress blog scraper. Let's go ahead and close that. Now, per my customer's request, I'm getting ahead of myself. What the original one did was create a folder with 3 separate files inside of it. You got your HTML. That was all the HTML that it found within the post tags on the WordPress site, or the content tags on the WordPress post page. And like I said, and then on the images file, it was all the images that it found on that web page, or excuse me, all the image it found within the content of the post itself. And then the add-on text, which is just the text that it found in the content / text of the post itself. Just the words, no HTML, no URLs, no nothing like that. Just the text. Okay, so that's what the old one did. My customer apparently didn't like it, because for his purposes, that would be a lot of editing for him. So, to make things simpler, let me go back in here. Where is it? Blog scraper. Let's go back in here. Let's close that out. Actually, let's delete those files that's inside there. Because what he wanted was a single file with the text and the image URL in it itself. So let's go ahead and open this up. This is the new one, I do believe. Let me just close that just to make sure I do open up the right one. So let's go to the new one here. Alright, let's load up our URL file. Click open, and let's run this. And while it's running, we're just kind of cool. Okay, so we got a couple files that are scraped now. Let's go ahead and open one of these up. Now, there's just one text file now instead of the folder with the 3 in it, and it's got the title, the images it found on the page, and the text of the content itself. And let's go ahead and close this. So let's go ahead and stop that, because we don't need that anymore. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take all the posts it just did, that I just scraped, and I'm going to move that over to my used post folder, or my post to use folder that for my blogger bot. So I'm just going to put that over there and say move here. of them already over there, so probably from a previous test run. Let's just go ahead and move and replace. Alright, now the Blogger bot update. The customer was happy with it, and it seemed to be working pretty good, but during some of my testing, I noticed that Blogger gets a real laggy sometimes. So what I did was, well, let's go ahead and open it up and take a look. Go ahead and import my accounts, or my account, should I say, anyways. Um, as you can see, I added an option right here. Um, Basically, what it says is sometimes Blogger is laggy. If you notice you're getting blank posts, set a delay in seconds. By default, the delay is 3 seconds. Uh, but if you notice that you're getting blank post or untitled post, or it just ain't posting correctly, chances are it's because Blogger's being laggy, and it's not going through before it hits publish. So you can add a delay in here. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. Um, Now, if you noticed, for some reason, it's not. I mean, it posted part of it, but not the whole thing. Um, so you have to give it some more time. Over here it says using the default delay of 3 seconds. So let's just go ahead and click on it again. Oh, there it goes. Oh, excuse me. The default delay is 3 seconds, and that's actually in 2 different parts of the bot. One is when the page loads, or after it clicks the HTML tag. Like right now, it clicked that, so it's going to wait 3 seconds. As you can see, right now, 3 seconds is not going to be long enough. Alright, there it goes. But let's just, I guess the 3-second delays is actually doing pretty good right now on Blogger, and also blank post. So let me just, why is you can do this even while it's running. If you notice you're getting blank post, you can add a delay in here. Say I want to add 10 seconds now. Now it won't apply to this because the 3 seconds already kicked in, but what it'll do is add another, instead of 3 seconds, it'll turn it to 10. And all you do, you just type in, you just click on the box, type in however long you want, and then click outside the box, and that sets the timer. And you can confirm it when it says over here your time delay is set, delay you set of 15 seconds. So now it's going to have a 15-second delay, and it'll let you know over here if you set the timer right. So if you say you set it and you forgot to click outside the box and it didn't actually activate, you would notice it over here. And that is pretty much it for the update on the Blogger bot. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. And if you're not the customer watching this video and you have questions, please feel free to visit my website in the link below in the description, or go to daddydanimal.com, and that's DADDYDANIMAL.com. Thank you. Have a good day.